A forum is a place in Moodle where students and instructors engage in active communication and collaboration. They can be used for a variety of purposes. For example, to make announcements in a course, individual student journals, posting discussion topics both by instructors and students, and Q&As. An instructor posts a discussion topic and students in turn post replies, thus engaging in an online discussion. This activity can be graded depending on the purpose. In this video we'll look at the different types of forums and how to set up a forum activity in a course. First, turn editing on at the right-hand top corner. In the desired section on the course page, scroll to the bottom and click on Add an activity. From the activity list choose Forum. Give the forum a suitable name. In the description box, give clear instructions to the students as to what is expected of them. Checking the Display Description on Course page will make the instructions visible on the course page for students to read. Here, they are to discuss their preference about the method of comparing and contrasting they would like to use for the group project, giving reasons for their choice. Next, choose the type of forum from the list depending upon the context. Let's look at the different types and how they work. First is single simple discussion. In this, only one topic is allowed started by the instructor. This is best suited for short-term, focused conversations with a whole class. Next, is each person posts one discussion format. In this, each student may start one new topic. And students can post any number of replies in those topics. This format may be used for group work. In Q&A forum, the teacher posts a question and students must post their response before they can see their classmates' response. Standard forum displayed in a blog-like format allows multiple topics listed with the most recent topic at the top of the page. In the standard forum for general use format, multiple topics are allowed and students can start new topics. In the availability setting, start and end of discussion dates can be enabled. In the next setting, the file size and number of attachments that a student can upload for discussions are set here. The word count can also be made visible if there is a limit. Subscription mode allows students to subscribe to a forum and receive email of the posts on the forum. There are 4 choices. By default, the subscription is optional. If set to forced subscription, a student cannot unsubscribe. If set to auto subscription, everyone is initially subscribed, but can choose to opt out later. The last one is disabling subscription. One of the most frequented and unwanted issue is that instructors on a course but not connected to a forum is automatically subscribed and receive emails. One way to stop this is, the user must open the user menu at the top of the main course page. Then, click on Preferences, and then Forum Preferences, and choose Don't automatically subscribe me to forum discussions. This should take care of the issue. In the next setting, a time period of inactivity is set, after which the discussions are locked. In the post threshold for blocking, there are 3 settings. 1. The time period available for posting. 2. The maximum number of posts a student can make within that time period. 3. A warning about the approaching limit, specifying after how many posts the student may be warned before he reaches his maximum limit. Forums can be graded. The grade points or scale, the grading method, and the grade category are all set here. Each of the student's posts can be rated using the scale or points. The sum of all ratings can be aggregated to appear as a single grade in the gradebook. The settings for this is decided here in the Ratings option. In the Common Module settings, visibility of the forum in the main course page and setting up of the group mode are important. Forums are highly useful for group interactions, and therefore, group and grouping modes are set here. Groups can be visible or separate, depending upon course requirements. If groupings exist in a course, choose or specify here, or leave it as none. If a forum is mainly confined to specific users, these users are specified in restrict access settings. A forum may be restricted to specific groups. These groups are selected from the list. Only the members of this group can have access to the forum. If a forum applies to a grouping, then the grouping is selected here. Sometimes, a forum may be applied to a random collection of users. Then those users are specified here by adding their profiles available in a course. Once all settings have been determined, save and return to course.